If you're new to the Momcozy app and you want to learn about how it works, then stick around. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect your pump to the Momcozy app, how to use your Momcozy app, as well as some handy features. So let's get started. If you haven't already downloaded your app, you can scan the QR code that comes with your pump. It is available on your Apple Store as well as Google Play. Once you scan this, it will take you directly to the app. If you have trouble with your QR code, then you can simply go to your App Store and search the Momcozy app and download it from there. One of the things that you will need to make sure is that the app also has Bluetooth settings. Now, you will get a reminder in your app if you do need to set this up. One thing to note at the moment is that the Momcozy app is only available with the Mobile Flow. I am hoping when they introduce new pumps that this app is continued with their new pumps, because I really do think this is such a great feature. So let's take a better look at your app. Now, this is on a tablet, but you can also do this on your mobile, which is very handy depending on what device you're using. So when you first sign up, you will also have the opportunity to connect your device. So to connect your device, you simply need to make sure that you need to make sure that your pump is switched on. This is very important because it needs to be on for the Bluetooth to work. You will see a Bluetooth icon here, and then there is a QR code on the side or inside your pump that you can simply scan and it will register in the app. You will know once it's registered because you can see the device on there. So I have not done this one. Let's give it a try. Oh, wrong button. So I want to go to here, add device. We've got a Mobile Flow. Go next. Click allow. So I want to, if I can, find the code. There we go. Added successfully. So you can see now that I have both pumps connected to the app. If I turn off my pump, so if I turn off one of the pumps, you can see that that now has stopped working. Now, one thing to note on the Mobile Flow is up the top, you can see a left or right function. So when I am in when I am in the app, you can see that there's a left. If I change that over to right, you can see that that is now on the right side. Change it again to left and it has switched. So you can see which pump is which. Now if I go back. Okay, so that has also switched on the front as well. So let's click back onto the pump. And in here it has the different settings for using your pump. So you can use them directly on your pump, or you have the ability with the app, which again is really handy if you're trying to be discreet and you just want to use your phone or your tablet rather than playing around with your pump. You can pause it and you can see that it instantly connects. You can press play and get it started again. You can change your different levels. Turn that around so it's easier to see. You can change from stimulation, expression, mixed, or even customize your own cycle. And I'll go through that in a minute. You can also turn it on and off. So to confirm if you're finished. So let's go back to the home screen. So it is pretty basic. You can see any of the pumps that you have set up. There is an option here to add if you would like a reminder or a device. So one thing I love here is you can set up reminders for your next pumping session. You can set the date, the timer. You can have on here what time you would like. So you can set this all up throughout the day, which again is really quite handy. You can see then down the bottom, you have a bit of a navigation menu and you can go to statistics, and on here, you can record how much milk you have pumped from the left or the right side and keep a track of your pumping sessions and output. And then it will let you know by the month, by the week. Now, if we go to Discover, doesn't really give you anything at this stage. I assume, it takes you direct to the Momcozy shop, so you can have a look at different things that you need potentially there. Now, if we are wanting to, on here, it has the custom. So if we go onto here, this is fantastic for letting you choose your rhythms and cycles. This is great if you're a bit more of an experienced pumper and you know what really works for you. If not, I feel like start with the basics and then work out what is working for you. So if I skip that for a moment, but what I do love is in here, it does have two different professional recommendations. You've got Milk Boost, which is your power pumping, and you can see it does 2 minutes on, 8 minutes off, 2 minutes on, 8 minutes off, not off, sorry. 2 minutes of stimulation, expression. So it's a different cycle to help boost your milk supply. There's also milk relief. So you have your stimulation, expression, and then a mixed, and then an expression again. You can go through and customize these as simple as adding the heart is your stimulation, and then you can go through and add your expression or your mixed, whatever settings that you like, and then the durations. So it is really customizable depending on what you are looking for. And to do that, you simply go into your pump. You can add the custom button here. So if I select the Milk Boost, I can do save. And then when I want to, it has it already on there as my session that I would like to go for as a quick start. Other than that, inside the app is your settings. You can set an overflow reminder. So when it detects when it's mostly full, it will vibrate. It's a nice to have, but you need to make sure that you turn that on, or you can turn it off, and then it will tell you a little bit about your pump. So there you go. If you need any user guides, they are there, but they are a little bit basic. They're not, if I go onto the flow, they are quite basic. They're not probably going to answer all your questions, but they're a handy guide to have if you need them. They are there, they are available. But overall, it's quite a simple app, but it can be really powerful, especially if you're wanting to control your device via your mobile or via the app for that added bit of discretion, or if you're wanting to track your milk supply or how much you've been pumping. I hope this helps. If you've got any questions, then please ask and I will do my very best to answer them.